Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to DIP&ART. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to write seen and sheen in Diwani Jali script. Start the letter by placing 2.5 dot. We need shape something like that. We are make two smaller curves. First curve is less wider than the second one. First curve will be ending here and the second one will end over here. There are many variations to write this letter, seen or sheen. This is the first one I'm showing here. You have to make two moves, and the third move will be moving it downward, and which will be 3 dot space. 3 dots I'm making here are slightly slanted in a way that I'm trying to show the shape over here. So these are the guidelines I'm gonna be following for making the bottom part of letter seen. These two moves I'm making here, this one and the next one, these should be in a similar size. My hand slipped here, but this line at the end should be very straight. Its height should be 2 dots, and here I'm drawing the shape without any measures, without any guidelines. So when you put 3 dots on the top, this becomes sheen. I'm going to draw the second type, and this type is mostly used in Diwani Jali script. The difference in first and second is just of the first move. Rest of the letter is written in the same way. Let's try the third type of scene, third type of variation. First we have to make 10 dots, and this will be the width, and 4 dots will be the height, and also make another line at the bottom to have some guidelines. Start writing the letter as we started in writing the letter ba, and then taking it nice and slowly to the upward direction. This makes a little bit curvy, and this curve should be 2 dots deeper. The rest of the letter is written same as I wrote in the previous one. I'm going to show you how we use the shape of this letter when it is used in the combination with other letters. First two shape I made, they are mostly used when we are gonna start some letter. And this third shape I made here is mostly used with the letter dal and ra when it is used before the letter dal and ra. And this third one shape is used when the letter coming after the scene is ha or kha. These are the examples that I'm showing to make it clear. Let's combine 3 letters we learned so far: seen, jeem, alif and ba, and see the difference. This is the letter shadid, which is sheen, dal, ye and dal. And here are some more examples that I'm going to be showing you guys. This is sharir, which is sheen, ra, ye and ra. Time to say goodbye. I'll see you soon with the next letter, inshallah. This is Meghra signing off. Fi amanillah.